Hope you guys doing well, and today I'm going to show you that how you can create your own email signature. And I have designed this, and I'm gonna add uh, this video to into my description. You can also um, learn how to design the email signature. So I'm gonna in this lecture I'm gonna make a UI for email template, and let's start. This is our email signature, so I'm gonna add a title here with the name of email signature, and then add the wrapper div with the style tag, and I'm gonna check the size with the rectangle tool. Height width should be 440 and 120. Height 440 and width should be 120. Maybe I'm gonna write in the wrong way, so I'm gonna add width 440 and height should be 120 pixels. So we can work and just add some background here for the testing purpose, how our box looks like. And I'm gonna open up my project folder and simply drag and drop into the browser. Yeah, this is our box that we have created in the HTML document. So I'm gonna remove this. This is for testing purpose, to show you that how the height width works in inline style. So this is our image. I'm gonna add or maybe export the display pic from here. Right click here and go to export as, and wait a while, and then now I have opened up this panel, so I'm gonna export all in my project directory like this. Save, and now I'm gonna add image here with the figure and I have added image here, and now I'm gonna add a div tag with the style of floating left, and add here the h1 heading for my name. I'm gonna copy this and paste here, then add span for designation. This is my designation. I'm gonna copy this and paste here, then after that I'm gonna add a paragraph for address. Copy this and then paste here with the BR tag for line breaking, and also I'm gonna add these lines in the div, and here I can add the span tag and then also span tag here, and I'm gonna copy this line and use this line in next span, because we have uh, added two spans here. And now I'm gonna change the color of T like as in the PSD. So I'm gonna copy this color and add emphasized text with the em tag, and add T here and some space here, and then style and color should be this in our emphasized text. So I'm gonna copy this now to use in our mobile color. And now come to second line and then paste here, and add the email E within, and then paste here again, and copy the W and paste here. So I'm gonna if you want to hyperlink here your mobile phone, and you want your email receiver to redirect. If they is using phone, then he will once he click in the phone number, it will automatically redirect to their email, or maybe if this is a phone number, then it will automatically redirect it to his dial screen. So that's why I'm using tel tag and then phone number. Make sure you don't add any space within that. So if we can add space, it will not read the phone number properly, and not redirected, or maybe some numbers are missing in the redirection. So that's why we don't need spaces in the hyperlinks with the href tag. And if you can use before the closing tag some text, you can also add some spaces here. And the same thing for this mobile number. Add hyperlink, copy text and paste here, and then add a title here and remove spaces. And after the, if we can work with email, so we're gonna replace the tel tag for mail to. This is a function that is work for to redirect your, once I click on this link, it will automatically redirect to their emails using their phones. So mail to, and we also don't have any spaces, so that's why I'm not gonna remove spaces, because this tag don't have any space. So same for the website don't need any equations like tel mail to. It will yeah, one thing you also gonna add here, if you don't want to leave your email and redirect to browser, so you may also add a target blank link here. And then let me show you that how what we created in the results. So this is our email signature that we have designed it. And now I'm gonna style this and float this here, or text should be here, or the hyperlinks and the blue should be, we need to change those colors also as we have in the PSD. So I'm gonna add some margins from this one, from this means we have the figure tag mm, in the parent of our image, then we need to use 20 pixels margin in the figure tag. So here we have the parent tag of the image is figure, so I'm gonna add margin right 20 pixel, and then here I'm gonna add some margin padding left, maybe, yeah, padding left should be 20 pixel, and add some margin, add some maybe border with the width of 3 pixel, border left semicolon 1 pixel solid, and then add the color code here that we have here. So once we see the result, it will automatically add this border here, and we need the thickness of the border 3 pixel, so we can add 3 pixel here, and then add some float left to float the whole content here. It will not work because the font size and the paragraph is more than that box. So we are gonna remove the figure default margin, so I'm gonna add margin 0 here, and then margin right 20 pixel. It will first the browser can read the margin 0, and then it will apply the margin right from here. So we can remove this with the 0 pixel, and then add margin left 20 pixel. So now we have, oh, margin right, I forgot. So now I'm gonna resize this div with the width of 500 pixel, maybe more, simply 270. 270 is fine because our box size is relevant to this. So I'm gonna copy this and add in our figure, and then this tip, this I have pasted it here. Now our all content is floated. Now we need to add some color here, or font size maybe, yeah. Some of the email template use the Vardhana tag, Vardhana font family. Some of use Arial because they are default fonts that browser can easily spot. We don't use any external fonts if we are using external fonts, then we don't have any way to describe that font, uh, or maybe link that font in every email. So that's why I'm gonna add a default fonts with the font size of 18, and the font weight should be bold with the color of this one. So let me show you that how the colors are applied in the headings. Style, and then font family we are using is Arial, yeah, this one. And then font size we are using is 18 pixel, and then font weight that we are using is bold, and color that we are using this one. So let me, yeah, that we have styled our heading. Now I'm gonna design this, and yeah, I'm gonna copy this color here, and the size should be 14, and font style should be italic in the span tag that we have described our designation. So I'm gonna add style here, and then font weight, maybe font family first, Arial, then font size should be 14 pixel, and then add color, this, and reload this. Yeah, that we have styled this. I'm gonna add some font style here. Font style should be italic, it's not initialize, it's italic. Font style should be italic, yeah. Now we have our font weight is more than this one, so that's why I'm gonna add font weight should be 400. Font weight should be 400. Yeah. Now we have styled exactly that what we have in the PSD. So I'm gonna style my paragraph with the color. Font size should be 12 pixel, and font weight should be regular with the Arial font. So style with the font family, Arial, font size should be 12 pixels, and color we have in the PSD is this one, and font weight should be 400. Font weight 400. Yeah, we have styled this one also, and now I'm gonna style this one. So before we start, we need to add some line breaks here. So we need to add simply style display display block here, and then by default the span is mm, treating like display inline, so that's why I'm gonna make a display block. Yeah, like this. So we have our font size should be 12 and regular. So first of all we need to add a color. We have already added a color in the emphasize text, but we don't have any italic style in our PSD, so I'm gonna add font style normal. I'm gonna copy this and paste here, and also I'm gonna add here some style here and here also. Now we need to style our complete span. Need font family should be Arial, and then color should be that we have copied from our PSD. Yeah, this one. And font size should be 12 pixel. Now we have styled our first line successfully, and now I'm gonna change the color of this blue to our PSD color. So we need to add color into the hyperlink. So I'm gonna copy this and then paste here in the hyperlink. I'm gonna add a style tag with the color of this one, and now I'm gonna also add color here and also here, and the last, for our website we can also use the color here, and then we're gonna add text decoration, and it will remove your bottom line break. So I'm gonna copy this and paste in the hyperlink style, and here hyperlink style, and also here for hyperlink style. Yeah, I'm going to reload this one. Yeah, now we have created our styled our hyperlinks, so we need to expand our some box size to simply don't break this line. We have also add the width here, maybe here, maybe here. I'm gonna remove this width. I'm gonna add width here, or maybe here. Yeah, now we need to add width here after the figure div. We need to change the width from here, and remove the width from here. So yeah, now we have added with the line breaks. To avoid the line breaks, we have added some extra width here. So now I need to remove top padding of the heading one. So I'm gonna add padding 0, or maybe line height should be 18 pixel, maybe small. No, our border is disturbing, so we need to add a line, maybe margin 0. Yeah, and also add some height here. Margin should be 0 in the heading one, margin 0 in the heading one, and then we need to add a minimum height here to complete the to manage or align the border into the bottom of the image. So minimum height, yeah, and then tape here, need to add minimum height, and now I'm gonna add some padding here, or maybe margin top in this. Yeah, we have finalized our email signature. So that's all for now. You can also design your own email template and make user interface of the email like this. Now we have this email template design, and this one is our UI, exactly what we have designed in the PSD. So that's all for now, and hope you guys enjoy my video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to receive my new videos notification. So take care for now, and see you guys in my next video.